So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing with every single one of you 5 habits that you can get right now that will improve your trading straight away. This isn't a magic formula, but this will definitely help you get your trading on the right path and to profitability. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. However, before we do begin, ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe because it really does support the channel. If you want to see more content just like this, subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, make sure you leave a like on this video because then it shows me that you are enjoying this content and you want to see more of it. Just remember, all of this content being provided is completely for free. So this is a nice gesture for you guys to just give me a like on the video. So the first thing that you guys can do to improve your habits and basically improve your trading is sleep well. This is such an underlooked thing when trading. A lot of people think that the more time that you spend on the market, the quicker you'll learn or the more you will learn. And that is for the most part true. However, setting yourself limits and breaks will also help, and sleeping well will also help. If you come home from a long day at work from your 9 to 5 job and then you're staying on the charts till 10, 11, 12 o'clock in the morning, that's going to be no good because you're going to wake up the next day even more tired, and then by the time you get to Friday you're going to be completely knackered. And the weekend is the best time to do it. It's the best time to backtest. It's the best time to focus on homing in your skills because you have a whole day free, for most people that is, to just relax and focus on trading. In the weekdays, you don't have that relaxation or that time to sit down and properly do things. So during the week, relax, spend a couple of hours on the charts and sleep well. This will definitely catapult your trading to places it's never been before. Another fantastic habit that most profitable traders do is journal their trades. This is important not just for those who are unprofitable, but for those who are profitable. So if we take, you have 5 trades in any given week, you have 2 losers and you have 3 winners. If you journal your trades, you can then look back and see, where did I go wrong? And then you can see if you can do anything going right moving forward. If you guys didn't know, I do offer a VIP service where you guys can take the exact trades that I am taking through the Signals group. Anywhere between 1 to 3 trades are sent daily. I send analysis, stop losses, take profits, why I'm entering the trade, why I'm exiting the trade. There is a lot of value to be had. If you guys are interested in joining, contact me via email, findingforex@gmail.com, and we can go from there. The next habit that a profitable trader does, and I'm not even fussed, this is for all profitable traders. If you are trading right now and you're unprofitable, there is one very good reason why you're not profitable. And if you are profitable, there is one very good reason why you are profitable, and that is your discipline. Having a good night's sleep, which we said at the start, will help you stay more disciplined in the future. You'll be less emotional, you will be thinking on the right tracks, and you'll have better clarity when it comes to trading Forex. Having discipline is not something that you can just snap your fingers and you have. Sometimes people are a little bit slower, but discipline in trading is absolutely number one reason why a lot of traders are profitable and why they're not. If you have 2 people in a room, you have one profitable person and you have one unprofitable person. The person who isn't profitable will most likely revenge trade, will most likely overtrade, will most likely not wait for these confluences to come about. They'll jump into the trades and then just hope that their trade goes in the right direction. And unfortunately, hope gets you nowhere in trading. However, the profitable person will wait for the trade to come to them. They don't chase trades, they don't overtrade, they don't revenge trade, they just chill. And this can definitely help with your psychology as well. being disciplined helps phenomenally. And this doesn't mean just by being disciplined you're going to win every single trade, because sometimes the markets will do some crazy shit where you can't even predict it, and the world's best Wall Street investors can't predict. That happens. Even people on Wall Street and investment banks take losses. However, what do people with discipline do? They lower their losses, they minimize their losses and maximize their gains. And that's what someone who is disciplined will have. They know when to wait, they know when to get in, and they know when to get out. And they're disciplined enough to enforce this. And that could be the difference between someone who is profitable and who is not. My last habit for you guys is also a very important one as well, because every trader, when they're starting out, wants to learn everything. And I was exactly the same. I wanted to learn everything. I first of all learned about support and resistance. Then I implemented trend lines. I heard about a moving average, RSI. I was like, oh my God, this thing, when it hits 80 sell, when it hits 20 buy. Absolutely bamboozled. Then I heard about smart money concepts. I wanted to learn smart money concepts. I wanted to learn it all. And then this is what made me less profitable. Because I was jumping between strategies, I never honed my skills and focused on one strategy. And that impacted my trading in negative ways. Because I wasn't focusing on one thing. Because with every different trading strategy, there are different rules, there are different laws to abide by. If you're looking at smart money concepts, you're not going to be trading support and resistance. You'll be trading things like order blocks, liquidity spikes, all of this sort of stuff that smart money traders trade doesn't really be traded when you're looking at retail support and resistance. So by jumping from strategy to strategy to strategy, you're going to negatively impact. If you just focus on one strategy, keep it simple, which is so important, you will, trust me when I say this, you will elevate your trading. However, you need to be disciplined enough to make sure that you're not going to jump around from one strategy to another. And like I said, all of these are connected, really, apart from the strategy one, I suppose. But if we're looking, sleeping well helps with your discipline. Journaling helps with your discipline. Your discipline, you could be disciplined to sleep well. You could be disciplined to journal. You could be disciplined to only stick to one strategy, so they're all interconnected. And if you have all of these, the chances are you will be profitable. And what do I have? I have every single one of them. And I'm going to take you guys through my routine. Okay, I don't wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning to get on the markets. Unfortunately, I'm not a morning person. However, it's because I understand that I'm a morning person. I'm not a morning person. I can adapt my life around what I'm good at. I'm not going to force my body to do something if it doesn't want to do it. Obviously, there are certain occasions and extreme events where I have to be up early. But for the most part, I wake up every single day at about 8 o'clock. I won't even look at the charts for half an hour, because I say to myself, for the first half an hour, I'm just going to relax. I'm not going to look at my phone, and then I'm going to go downstairs and make a coffee, and I won't drink it until that half an hour's up, because there's a fact that I saw that you don't get an afternoon crash if you stay up for half an hour, because it allows your body to do some sciencey shit. And then what I'll do is, after half an hour, I'll grab my phone, drink my coffee, and I'll come upstairs. I don't have breakfast because I don't really like breakfast in the morning, right? And then I'll look at the charts, and I may find an entry. I may be like, okay, let me see how this 1 hour candle closes. I'll come back to the charts in an hour. Oh, let's see how this 4 hour candle closes. Let's come back to the charts in 4 hours. After that, I'll get some work done. After that, I'll hit the gym, and then after that, I'll do some more work. But I've structured it, and I'm disciplined. And discipline, not only in your trading, but in your life, carries over to one another. If you can stay disciplined in your life, you're going to be disciplined in trading. If you can stay disciplined in trading, you're going to be more disciplined in your life.